Hello everyone, today's video is called Work from Home as a Social Media Manager. Get started today with little to no experience. Entrepreneurs are busy people, and that's why many entrepreneurs and business owners hire social media managers to lighten their workload, free up their time, and complete the tasks that they don't have time to do. One of those tasks are social media management. Social media management includes marketing research, content creation, both written and visual, brand communication and messaging, content curation, content posting and scheduling, marketing and promotion, engagement, growing visibility and reach, generating leads and conversions, and overall growth. So, are you thinking about becoming a social media manager? Are you on social media a lot and love it? Why not make money as a social media manager? Here's 3 ways to get started becoming a social media manager today. Number 1, learn the platform. Any platform of your choice. Do you like Facebook? Do you like Twitter? Do you like Instagram? Whatever platform you choose, learn everything you possibly can learn about that platform, from content creation to graphic and or creative design to marketing and management. Read and study articles and books about how to use the platform for business and start implementing what you learn by first practicing on your own accounts. Keep up with the latest in social media news and trends from websites like Social Media Examiner or Social Media Today. Remember to never stop learning about your platform of choice and new techniques and strategies to continually improve and strengthen your social media marketing and management skills. Number 2, besides learning a social media platform of your choice, get familiar and learn how to use social media marketing and management tools. For example, learn how to use graphic design tools such as Canva and Trello, and social media scheduling tools like Later and Tailwind. Number 3, become a freelancer. There are many solid companies and legitimate companies like 99 Social, Time Etc., Belay Solutions, and the Mom Project, which you can set up a freelance independent contractor account, find and apply for clients, and work to build your portfolio and experience with social media marketing and management. Businesses and entrepreneurs use these companies to hire virtual assistants and social media managers to complete various administrative, personal, and creative work for them. These companies provide endless opportunities to work with businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with social media marketing and management. These companies save you the headache and time by doing the work of finding potential clients for you. All you have to do is set up an account, list your skills and resume, and start applying for jobs. And if you so choose, do the work on your own by social networking and speaking with business owners within your own social media network to find quality leads and clients. Now that you know what it takes to become a social media manager, what platform would you like to learn in order to help people socially market, manage, and grow their business using social media? Are you ready to become a social media manager today? For more on becoming a social media manager, drop a comment to schedule a consultation with Virtu for You Creative. And as soon as you drop that comment, we'll get back with you on a date and time. Thank you for listening. And please like this video. Check out the other content on this channel. If you love it, subscribe and click the notification bell symbol to get notified when Virtu Works for You Creative upload new content.